France, thousands protest against vaccination, COVID passes. Over 100,000 people protested across France on Saturday against the government's latest measures to push people to get vaccinated and curb rising infections by the Delta variant of the coronavirus. In Paris, separate protest marches by the far right and the far left wound through different parts of the city. Demonstrations were also held in Strasbourg in the east, Lille in the north, Montpellier in the south and elsewhere. Thousands of people answered calls to take to the streets by Florian Philippot, a French far-right politician and former right hand of Marine Le Pen who announced earlier this month that he would run in the 2022 presidential election. Gathered a stone's throw away from the Louvre Museum, protesters chanted Macron, clear off, freedom, and banged metal spoons on saucepans. While Philippot has organized small but regular protests against the government's handling of the coronavirus crisis, Saturday's demonstration drew a larger and more diverse crowd of people broadly disaffected with politics, yellow vest activists angry over perceived economic injustice, far-right supporters, medical staff and royalists. They denounced the government's decision on Monday to make vaccines compulsory for all healthcare workers, and to require a health pass proving people are fully vaccinated, have recently tested negative or recovered from the virus in order to access restaurants and other public venues. President Emmanuel Macron's government is presenting a draft law Monday to enshrine the measures. While France already requires several vaccinations to enter public school, Auquier pledged to take his 2 children out of school if the coronavirus vaccine became mandatory. These new measures are the last straw, Auquier said. The government warned of the continued spread of the Delta variant, which authorities fear could again put pressure on hospitals if not enough people are vaccinated against the virus. The pandemic has cost France more than 111,000 lives and deeply damaged the economy. During a visit to a pop-up vaccination center in the southwest, Prime Minister Jean Castex exhorted the French to stick together in order to overcome the crisis. While a majority of French healthcare workers have had at least one vaccine dose, some are resisting the government's decision to make vaccination compulsory for all staff in medical facilities. The Interior Ministry said 114,000 people took part in protests nationwide. Thanks for tuning in and watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to get latest updates as it happens.